This video highlights all the key features you need to know about the Wiytamo 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this portable air conditioner in the description below for the latest price. The Wiytamo unit is designed for rooms up to 700 square feet, making it a great all-in-one climate solution for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. It provides efficient cooling with 14,000 BTU power and even includes a heating function rated at 11,000 BTU, which can heat up to 500 square feet. This makes it ideal for year-round use, with an adjustable temperature range from 61 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the standout features is the auto swing air outlet, which moves across an 80-degree arc to distribute air evenly and quickly throughout the room. This helps avoid cold or hot spots and keeps the air flowing comfortably whether you're working or relaxing. Controlling the unit is easy thanks to a clear front-facing LED display and a full-function remote. You can switch modes, adjust temperatures, and set timers without having to get up, which adds great convenience. The Wiytamo Portable AC also has 4 different modes: cooling, heating, fan, and dehumidifier, allowing it to adapt to different weather conditions and needs. It includes a smart sensor that helps manage energy consumption by adjusting compressor activity based on the room's temperature. This energy-saving feature is a definite plus, especially when running it for extended periods. The dual drainage options make maintenance straightforward, whether you prefer continuous top drainage or manual bottom drainage. Setting up this air conditioner is straightforward with the included window kit that fits a range of window sizes from about 25 to 50 inches wide. No tools are needed for installation, which is perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want a complicated setup process. The unit's mobility is another strong point. It has smooth 360-degree wheels and handles on the sides, so moving it from room to room is hassle-free. Plus, a washable filter helps keep dust and pet hair out of your air, making it a great choice for homes with animals. On the downside, the noise level is about 53 decibels, which is average but might be noticeable in very quiet rooms. Also, while it's powerful for its size, cooling larger spaces beyond 700 square feet might reduce its effectiveness. Overall, the Wiytamo Portable Air Conditioner offers a versatile and user-friendly solution for managing indoor climate comfortably throughout the year. It blends efficient performance, convenient controls, and easy portability, making it a practical choice for those looking for a multifunctional portable AC unit.